Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheila and this is Sheela Shares. Now, since this is Fashion Friday, today we are going to be talking about how to layer necklaces. In particular, mga delicate necklaces like this. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you two ways of layering necklaces. So, one is using mga delicate pieces like this. And then the other one is using mga mixed metals or different kinds of chains. Okay, so if you wanna learn more, please keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Okay? Bye! No, not bye. You can't see. Yeah. So the first thing you have to think of, sorry. So the first thing you have to think about in layering jewelry or delicate pieces like this is that you have to put your most delicate chain on top. So you start with the most delicate piece and it should sit at the top most part here. And then you start adding more layers, still delicate. I think this is 16 inches and then you add the 18 inches. And then lastly, you can wear your longest piece. This is about 20 inches or 24 inches ba to? So, make sure everything's almost the same yung thickness ng chain para it looks more put together. Now, but there's another way of layering necklaces and I'll introduce you to my assistant, charing, to my friend, Katrina. Here, come here. So this is Katrina. She's my office mate, guys.
Please like and share.
She's so pretty, no? Wait, alam mo, nasa office kami. It's wala nang work. So we shot here na lang because it's almost gabi na, but no, it's gabi na pala. But anyway, so another way of layering, let's move closer. Jing 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 jing. Okay, so if you notice here, these are different chains. This is like box type, or this is delicate, and this is a choker. So what you can do, you use a choker na medyo makapal to accent the cleavage. Clavicle pala. So accentuate the clavicle, and then you add the delicate piece. And then lastly, if you wanna use parang centerpiece, or you have to have a centerpiece, and that should be the longest na necklace. So like this, para may parang focus yung and what do you call this, layering ninyo. So and that's how you layer. You can even add one more necklace here na parang bar or parang paganon. Yeah, so that's it. I mean, and this kind of layering, you use different kinds of types of chains. Like this is an omega chain, this is a softer kind of omega chain, and this is a box link na chain. Okay, so I hope, let's move closer. Ayan, and this is mine. Yeah, mga boho-boho chic ko no, just so that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from us. Please stay tuned for more what do you call this? More tips in fashion for every Fashion Friday. So next week we are going to do part 3 of the what clothes to wear with and what jewelry to wear with what clothing office edition. I'm going to showcase my office mates. Okay, so again, thanks for watching. This has been Sheila signing off. Bye! And Katrina pala.
Hi!
Saray!
So, mga binatan